Hey citizens, wanted to talk to you about Italki versus Baselang. I want to use this software to learn more Spanish. I want to discuss the difference between the two platforms and maybe open up some dialogue about what you're using and what you might consider. Stay tuned. In my quest to learn more foreign language, I have used tutors, I've taken classes, I've used tapes and CDs and different methods, and I'm doing free apps, flashcards, all those things. However, when you do a lot of things solo, it gets kind of boring and repetitive, and it's not increasing my listening and speaking skills to the place where I feel like I'm going to become conversational. So now I'm really wanting to jump over the hump and explore more speaking. I mean, all languages are living types of things, and so I want to be able to experience the language. And so I've been looking at a lot of videos and watching videos from other YouTubers who have delved into language learning and travel, and they embrace the culture. One of the platforms I considered was Italki. It's like I talk I, so I'm not exactly sure which one's the best way to say it, but I'll call it Italki. On that platform, I know that you can learn a lot of different languages. They have teachers, community tutors that are not teachers, but like they would do engage in conversation with you, and then you can also do like partner learning with other people who are interested in speaking your language and you speak their language. So, and that's free. The teacher and community tutors are something you pay for, and they had different prices. And I know that Italki gives you 3 free lessons that you can sign up for. So it connects the learners with the teachers. And then video chat, we use Skype, and there are just a plethora of languages you can learn. And then it's headquartered in China, but Italki's been around for 11 years. I'm surprised that I'm just now learning about it. Oh, so it's pretty much pay for play, which means that when you want to use a teacher or tutor, you're gonna pay for that lesson. And I know when I booked the lessons, I wasn't able to book like the learning lessons, I think 2 days in advance. Like I couldn't do day of plus that, but if I wanted to do like a community tutor thing for conversation, I can book those like day of. And my lessons were at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, and most of my teachers, my Spanish teachers, were primarily in Venezuela. Another platform that I've been considering is Baselang, and Baselang is a smaller company, and it is it's pay for play too, but it's pay for play. You pay like a monthly fee, and right now there's a $1 trial period. From what I've seen, you can book lessons like within 30 minutes, and the teachers do a review with you before the lesson's over to tell you how you did, and they also keep a file so the other teachers can see your progress. So I really do like the idea of that as well. So I haven't been able to try Baselang, want to try it like during my spring break. That way I'm open and my schedule is more clear, and I can kind of focus on it and give you all a decent review. I've read many reviews and watched many videos, and many of the students that have went through their program have really accelerated in their confidence and grasp of the language. So I hope that happens with me as well. So these two are close, kind of similar, but Baselang focuses primarily on Spanish only, and it's Spanish. Their teachers are also in Venezuela as well, and from the reviews they say that all their teachers are very highly certified. So I look forward to using that service pretty soon. This is what I like for y'all to do. If you're learning a language, like this video, because you know it is tough to grasp foreign tongues. I wish that I was exposed more to other languages as I was growing up. That way I can be bilingual or maybe a polyglot. Comment below if you've heard about Italki and Baselang, and if you're considered doing any of those. And if you're fluent in Spanish, you and I, we need to talk, because that's where I'm focusing right now. And make sure you subscribe if you like foreign language videos and lifestyle videos and product reviews, because that is what you're gonna see on this channel. Talk to y'all later.
That's Canadian Queen 76 do. Go and find it exclusively on YouTube. Oh yeah.